Let's make my favorite cinnamon peach sourdough quick bread. I've been at a soccer tournament all weekend and I'm ready for some time in the kitchen, so I'll be posting a few breads today. This is the first one we're gonna make. It's easy and it's delicious. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Just like with other quick bread recipes I have posted, you want 2 mixing bowls. I usually try to do glass when I do sourdough, but I don't worry about it for quick bread. One for dry and one for wet ingredients. Dry ingredients first, we're starting with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, probably about a tablespoon, but I'll be honest, I kind of measure it with my heart. Let's move on to our wet ingredients. Starting off with 1 cup of active sourdough starter. You can use discard if you want to. I'm using active sourdough starter today. 3/4 a cup of sugar, 1 large egg, half a cup milk or buttermilk is fine, whatever you have, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, we're gonna mix both of these bowls, then we'll gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and then we'll talk about the peaches. All right, I've got 4 peaches. I'm gonna peel these and dice them up, and then we're gonna add them to this batter that we just mixed up. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't talk. I fold these peaches into that batter, and I did 4 peaches, but you can do it like as peachy as you want it to be. I like it to have a good bit of peaches. And if you're wondering, the Chapel Roan playlist in the background is an important, crucial part to this recipe. I'm gonna take my bread pan and I'm going to spray it. You can use parchment paper if you'd rather. We're gonna bake this for about an hour. I know that's about how long my oven takes. If you're making it for the first time, I would probably check it at 50 minutes just to be safe. Once we pull it out of the oven, we'll make the glaze. So hang on, the recipe's not over. She's so pretty. All right, let's make the glaze. We're gonna start with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next, I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of milk to start. I'm adding a tablespoon of cinnamon and we'll mix it. And if I need to add some more milk, I will. I just kind of start with 2 tablespoons and do it until it's the consistency that I want. Frosting's gonna look like this. It's gonna be a little brown because of the cinnamon. And y'all, this is like a perfect breakfast bread. It's so good.